How to use WhatsApp group video calling. 1. Open WhatsApp. Navigate to the home screen and select the Calls button. 2. Press the call icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your contacts. 3. Scroll down and select a contact to call. Press their name to call them. 4. Press the Add Participant button in the top right corner. 5. Select the third participant. Confirm that you want to add them to the call. Repeat this process to add a fourth participant and you'll be ready to have the group call.